Want to make money online without shipping anything or investing in inventory? Digital products are one of the easiest and smartest ways to build passive income in 2025. In this video, I'll share 7 easy digital products you can create and sell online, even if you're starting with zero budget and no tech skills. Let's jump in. What are digital products? Digital products are things people can download and use, like ebooks, templates, and guides. You create them once and sell them over and over again. No physical product, no delivery hassle. That's why so many freelancers and creators love them. Ebooks and guides. First up, ebooks and guides. If you know something valuable, like how to write resumes, build websites, or grow on Instagram, turn it into a short guide. You can write it in Google Docs, design it in Canva, and sell it on Gumroad or Payhip. Even a 10-page ebook can sell for $5 to $20. Canva templates. Next, Canva templates. Design things like Instagram posts, resumes, planners, or business cards. People love ready-made templates, especially small business owners. You just need a free Canva account, and you can export your templates and sell them on Etsy or Gumroad. Notion templates. Are you organized with Notion? Create Notion templates like daily planners, budget trackers, or freelance dashboards. These are super popular and sell for $5 to $30. Once you design it, you just share the Notion link with buyers. Done. Printables and planners. Printable PDFs are another easy win. Think meal planners, wedding checklists, fitness trackers, or kids' worksheets. You can make them in Canva, export as PDF, and sell on Etsy or Creative Market. They're simple, useful, and perfect for passive income. AI art and stock graphics. With tools like Midjourney, Leonardo AI, or Canva AI, you can generate wall art, aesthetic illustrations, or digital wallpapers, then sell them as downloads. People buy this stuff for home decor, YouTube thumbnails, and branding kits. Digital audio and voiceovers. If you're into audio, try selling sound effects, background music, or voiceovers. Use tools like 11 Labs or TTS Maker to create voice content, and sell it on marketplaces like Fiverr, Audio Jungle, or even your own store. Spreadsheets and tools. Last, simple spreadsheets or tools. Budget planners, invoice trackers, social media calendars. People love done-for-you Excel and Google Sheets templates. You can create them in Google Sheets, add formulas, and sell with a clean cover design. Final tips. You don't need to do all 7, just pick one that fits your skills and start simple. Use tools like Canva, ChatGPT, and Google Docs to build your first product. Then sell on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Payhip, all beginner-friendly and free to start. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss my next video on earning with digital tools in 2025.